in Aberdeen today. It's a lovely day. We're at Pelagia, a fish factory. This is an existing client of ours. It's been a long-term client. We're in the production hall today. It's got an existing, really poor delaminated pump screen that's down. We're in there today, shaving it off, getting it back to clean concrete and upgrading it to the acrylic on deco system. So it's going to be a great case study. This is going to be a great before and after. And stick about because you're going to want to see this. This is going to be a great one.
So that's the floor finished, it's been sealed, it's now completely waterproof, completely impervious to water, liquids, bacteria. So if you think about what was there originally, that delaminated pump screen that was lifted and getting tons of water underneath, big hygiene issue for them. Now you've got a completely impervious flooring system that's easy to clean, easy to maintain, and it's going to last a long time. So a great before and after and a great install.